Good morning, everyone. It's so nice to see you all today. It's a good day. Today is Wednesday, 12th August. And what's our topic today is about the crypto news. You all can see the title about why Chinese miner won stash a 51% attack on Bitcoin. Yes, and let's focus on the article today. And I will share to everyone the article. Yes, the photo is look nice. The article is from Techtalk. Yes, here is the article. Yeah. And now let's focus on the reason why the Chinese miner once started a 51 attack on the Bitcoin. Yeah, that's right. This is James Loof explained about why attack on Bitcoin won't work and he expected China mining dominant won't last. It's just because in China is a factory of mining machine. However, they cannot launch a 51 attack. The reason why is first of all, they cannot cash out the Bitcoin if they're running the attack, and because some of the exchange they running the KYC, it's so hard for some of the attacker. The second thing is the IP leak of the attacker, and recently we can see the attacker have refund. Example, one hacker returned 55 million in the stolen fund after leaking their IP address. Yes, the value of the Bitcoin still hold after the attack will likely have been decreased substantially. Third, a successful large attack could actually result in the shooting yourself in the foot. Yeah, because if the attacker, the hacker get the large amount of Bitcoin, the value of the crypto will decrease. That's why they don't want to run the attack. And the Bitcoiner to the secure. Yeah, we can see in China facility, even if the attack shift target a video mining facility or easier attack of mining, 70% of hash power in China is coordinated via fewer than 10 mining pool. Yes, if we switch mining pool, it's incredibly easy for the miner. It's also difficult to boot up conversely, as there are plenty of independent companies putting out social media alerts against the malicious actors. And it's so hard. It's hard to imagine a scenario with the state actor would be quickly could convert suicide enough hash power to perform an ongoing attack and last more than a few hours. And according to the recent hash power have been concentrated in China. Even since 2015 is due to the fact most of mining chips are produced in Asia. Most importantly, China also have an abundance of the cheap energy. And Leaf conclude as a large-scale mining attack is going to be limited in its effectiveness. In the long run, competition in the semiconductor production and the cheaper power shocks will continue to rise global, and China mining dominance will not last. Yes, this article is shared to us how China, they cannot running the 51% attack. Some of us still don't know what is 51% attacks. It looks like in the crypto mining, who work at a group of work more than faster, then they will receive the reward ASAP with the 51% attack for the someone have more and more mining rich hash. Okay, let's be continue with next article today. Okay, let's see. We have been on the article. The Chinese miner will stay 51% attack. Okay, let me copy. Yeah, and the next article, we move on with some more article. Today's Wednesday. Yeah. Yes, that's right. It's so nice, so funny. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue with the next article today. Today, we can see the price of cryptocurrency has dropped from yesterday to 11,385. Yeah, it's really dropped. This is dropped today, and don't know why ETX had dropped. Yeah, let's see, because a lot of chart, a lot of crypto analysts, they say the chart is not good and it's going to the end of the period of the Bitcoin after they go up, and now it's dropped, and it is a time for people to move up to the next period. And then there's another article is about this ad is as Bitcoiners and on Grayscale News TV spot. And Grayscale Investment released a 30-second TV spot on the 9 crypto charts on the major news network this Monday. And what is talk about? What is share about? Let's see. Amid sky-high expectations, the latest television ad from the Grayscale Investment have proved a disappointment to many Bitcoiners. The 30-second ads running on business and finance cable TV channel, there was a hope before it was unveiled that it could be bring crypto investing to millions, but the reaction followed the crypto fund manager posting the ad on a Twitter account. Let's see the ad on his Twitter account. Fairly savage. The Twitter video has so far racked up 92,000 views and 2,400 likes, but this amid the Bitcoin boosting expectation of many crypto Twitter users because it simply take the viewer to the history of currency. I can't believe you spend that much money. I didn't say Bitcoin, and actually list Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum Classic, which currently under centralized attack in this ad. I will have for this, and I must say it was a disappointment in his Twitter. You say the some of the commercial debate today out there on Twitter. Let's see what it say about what shared to us about. Firstly, they say the people around from the beginning why they have the money, right? And then for a long time ago, we use cattle, we use the grain to exchange. It's still money. Yeah, in the Greek people now they have the coin. They have the coin, the gold coin. Some dynasty they issue the gold, and now this paper is IOU not, and with the stamp from of the royal. It's like the money, and in America, 19 nine after declare independent in America, they issue the money and they bring out the money with the staple of the coin, gold of the gold bar in the treasure. And then now how the paper notes prints out. And now it's a chart of the stock, the livestock, and now it's a advertisement. That's all. Yeah, it's share about the history of money. Yeah, this is not new to all of us. Yeah, it's on the great scale, right? And he say on the Twitter, he say that it's unexpected, right? Hello, good morning, our new audience today. Yeah, good morning. So let me continue with some of the explanation. Yeah, just now we add about this, and John Mai he replied to the scale. I can't believe you spend that much money. I didn't say Bitcoin, and actually listed Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum Classic in this ad I will have. Yeah, just now I shared this. Yeah, that's right. This is straight scale advertisement. And then the next article is about thanks for this article to let us know what the history of money. And I had just shared it's a 30-second TV spot of the crypto, the grayscale they do advertisement on his TV commercial. Recently, I also have some TV commercial today. Still a room for fun. Yeah, there's a still room loving this currently. Trust me, audio on. Yeah. So let's see the next article of today. We see the master explain most music listener one by for music with crypto help artists. How to remain profitable through the halving of Zcash. Yeah, Mastercard expand cryptocurrency program for crypto card issuer. Yeah, it's really nice, interesting news. Let's see what's the interesting news about the Mastercard. This news is on the 20th July. It's about the Mastercard expand cryptocurrency program for crypto card issuer. Yeah, it's not the latest news. It's about they launching another services. So next go to the latest news today. It's about world biggest business intelligence firm buy 21,000 Bitcoin for 250 million. Oh, this is 12 hours ago. Yeah, okay. This how the world biggest business intelligence firm. What is the firm? That is a micro strategy firm. Its make Bitcoin is primary treasure reserve asset as institutional takes a dramatic bullish step forward. This one we can see the world's largest publicity trade business intelligence company MicroStrategy. Based on the Nasdaq, this company has been listed on the Nasdaq with the coins MSTR. Has former adopt Bitcoin BTC as its primary reserve asset. In the press release, they say that move reflect our belief in Bitcoin. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice to hear. It's nice to see that this investment reflect our belief that Bitcoin, as the world's most widely adopted cryptocurrency, It's a dependable store of value and attractive investment asset with more long-term appreciation potential than holding cash. They are charming the market at the right when the price of crypto is lower. Yeah, it's good. It's good to see that. This some news to say another biggest company firm they charming in crypto. Adam Back also Bitcoin is enough. Satoshi should stay out. Let's see what Adam Back said to us 7 hours ago. Adam Back has some interesting. If someone that view altcoin of the return of Satoshi Nakamoto. In Adam Back provide additional clarity on his perceived Bitcoin BTC maximalism. Blockstream still believe that Bitcoin is enough and there's no need for a multitude of derivative projects. Back say that I think it's like TCP/IP in internet exist. We don't need 5800 TCP/IP copies trying to monetize and profit of bump of such. It's detract from value. I gather there about 5,800 altcoins as today. He noted that innovators should focus on Bitcoin instead. Yeah, that's right. It's correct. It's more modular. You can build anything you want to use. If you are trying to innovate, go ahead and innovate. Adding Bitcoin is electronic cash for the internet. That's discussing Satoshi rumor. Yes, I think Bitcoin is decentralized enough to reject Satoshi views, even if he went nuts. Another quote say that look at the flag as a few unfunded volunteers tagged for even commenting about the ethical consideration of the multi-Bitcoin dollar incentive misalignment. The people you are commenting on a huge fund works with the retail investor cash and looking better of the game into the next coin. Yes, that's right. He's right because Adam Beck he shout out to let us know that Bitcoin one crypto is enough because with so many access, with so many altcoins, it's hard. It's so hard for the people to focus on. It's so hard for people to learn to know more about the crypto, to learn more about the Bitcoin. So the next article is also the last article of the English today. And I will choose which one is nice, which one is this one. I choose this one too. It's a Bitcoin price tandem with central bank balance sheet data. Yes, the price of the Bitcoin rise in tandem with the central bank balance sheet data. Bitcoin, let me refresh again. BTC, we also can say Bitcoin has become the investor favorite escape from the fiat misery and punitive economic policy. And central banks are only helping. Bitcoin plan to become the fastest horse. The past few months have been the United States Federal Reserve, in particular, intervene in the traditional market buying huge swathes of control, cost of $1 trillion added into its balance sheet. As the money printing expanded, so is Bitcoin value. Not, of course, the more money print out, the value of the cryptocurrency will go up. Bitcoin is the new darling among investors in time of negative real estate. As in the price of a cryptocurrency follows the combined balance sheet of central bank. We can see the chart here about the gold is up 35% in 2020. SBD only 3%. Silver is still the best. Still 30% below as a time high. Best because it's limited in quantity, used in industry, and still affordable for those Thai purchases. Yes, if we don't have enough money to buy the gold bar, we can buy the little tiny amount of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And the sleeper is Bitcoin. I suspect it's about to become the fastest horse. This chart is Bitcoin charts, and the white one is a combined balance sheet of the Federal Reserve, BOJ, Bank of Japan, ECB is later we will find out what's ECB. It's also something the central bank balance sheet. For keep 3% in the junk bond. The junk bond is a bond from the other company. The relationship with the ballooning central bank debt, thus showing Bitcoin delivering on original promise to shield user from risk energy engineered by the party in control of the currency. In the meanwhile, the data from U.S. Federal Reserve underscore the extent of this year's intervention at the /3% corporate bond holding red PP, common known as young status. Yeah, that's right. Bitcoin price is rising, and it goes together with the price goes together with the data of the Federal Reserve. And now let me say hello with all of our audience from this morning, beginning of our discussion. And now we will move up to the next article, next part. Before that, we will have a look on the chart analysis today. It's about the crypto chart on the trading view. See why the price of cryptocurrency is go down. Yes, we can see all the stock markets also jumping down. Yeah, what's going on today? Yes, Binance, the price of crypto dropping down. You can see the red candle is dropping to 11,300, dropping dramatically drop. Yeah, we can see that. And after that, let me check with the Fibonacci retracement to see the next resistance. Next resistance is also, I think, it's about the 12,100. It's the same yesterday. And the stop loss, what the stop loss is 10,800. Oh, let's see what the stop loss today, this day. And the next one is 10,800, still 10,800. And still the indicator still at the buy. Yeah, it shows the buy indicator, a technical indicator. Thanks everyone. And now we move to the next part of our discussion, of our crypto discussion.